Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Syed Fatad Haider and I am a mathematics teacher in Peshawar Model School. Today we will study about cube and cube root. So first of all, what is the cube? Any number that is the product of three identical numbers is called a cube. Identical number means same numbers. Like if you multiply 2 by 2 and by 2, it will give 8. 8 is called the cube. If you multiply 3 with 3 with 3, it gives 3 cube. The power 3 is called 3 cube. The power 3 is called cube. The power 2 is called square, and etc. If you take 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 gives 64. So these are called cubes. Remember that cube of the positive number is always positive, like the examples that are given in the black form, like 2, 3 and 4, they are positive number. The result is also positive. 8, 27 and 64 are positive, but the red one, which is given negative, like -5 multiplied by -5 and then with -5 gives -5 cube. Result is equals to -125, because if you multiply minus with 1, it will give you plus. Then again if you multiply minus with plus, again it will give negative. So always remember that the cube of the negative number is always negative. The cube of positive number is always positive. Now what is the cube root? It is same as the square root, but in square root the value of the square is 1 by 2, and in cube root the value of the root is 1 by 3. It is also mentioned and it is in the index of the square of the root. In square root we do not mention the index, but in cube root or a tetra cube 4, 5 and 6 etc., you have to mention the root at its index. For example, 74,088 is a number. So for finding the cube root, you have to do the LCM method by using prime numbers, like 2 when it is divided by 2. For first step it gives 37,044. Again use 2, it will give 18,522. Then again use 2, it will give 9,261. Again 3, 3,087. Then again 3, 1,029. Again 3, 343. Then use 7, 49. Then again 7, 7 and 7 by 7 is 1. All the numbers used in the prime factorization are prime numbers. 2, 3 and 7 are prime number. Now write it in the cube root. Under the cube root, make triplet of them, not pairs, because pair mean 2, they are 3. Make a triplet of them, like 3 times 2 gives 2 power 3. 3 times 3 gives 3 power 3, and 3 times 7 gives 7 power 3. Now the cube root and the power 3 cancel each other and gives only 2. For the 3, the cube root and the power 3 cancel each other and gives 3, and the cube root of and power 7 3 cancel each other and gives 7. Multiply the numbers. 2 multiply 3 gives 6, and 6 multiply 7 gives 42. Now if you multiply 42 3 times, it will give 74,088. That is the method how to find cube root of any number. If you want to find the cube, simple multiply the digit 3 times, but if you have to find the cube root, use the prime factorization method. That's all. Solve all the question of 2.4. It's for practice, for more practice. It's very interesting method. Already you practice it in the square root method by prime factorization. If you have any difficulties and any question, feel free to ask. Thank you so much.